doesn't love a good homemade coconut pie?
We do. So let's get started.
Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer, and look who's back.
Mama Marge.
Mom Marge is back, and she has got a delicious coconut pie recipe. Yeah. Oh my gosh,
She has made this for years and years and years, and everybody asks for this all the time. So it's a homemade coconut pie, so show us how it's done.
In fact, one of my nieces came down the other night and she said, what are you going to be making on the show? And I said, coconut pie. She says, why don't you try it out on me and see if I like it? So we went in the kitchen and made one, and she loved it.
Well, I can't wait.
First, we're going to take a cup of sugar. Put it in there. A 1/4 cup of flour.
Okay.
And we're going to put 3 eggs in it.
Just the egg yolks?
Just the egg yolks, yes.
Okay. So basically 3 egg yolks and 4 egg whites.
Right, to make the meringue.
Okay. And while we're doing this, we have the pie crust in the oven getting brown, and she poked some holes in there around the bottom so it doesn't bubble up, right?
Right.
I'll take those for you.
There you go.
All right.
And here you go.
I'll take that too.
Okay.
Okay, and then
what's in there?
2 cups of milk. Mix that in there with it.
A little bit at a time.
Just a little bit at a time, so you won't get too watery till we get it stirred up.
Now we're saving this egg whites, correct?
Right.
Okay.
We're going to beat those.
Okay, so we're just going to set those aside.
Right.
This stuff is really good. And she has a cookbook right here that she has written everything, just about everything personally in here of all her stuff over the years.
That's awesome. I have mine are on like little cards, like like that I've scanned in from my aunts and great aunts and grandma.
Yeah.
They put them on index cards, and it's all in their own handwriting and stuff like that. So
I used to love to collect cookbooks. I still do, but I always kept trying to find that recipe that had that just one ingredient in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one ingredient recipe. Sheila loves those one ingredient recipes.
I love
if it's got 1 or 2 ingredients, she's a happy woman.
I'm still looking for that recipe.
Okay, I'm going to add a half of a stick of butter.
A half a stick of butter.
And then we're going to put it in the microwave.
All right.
That's what's so good about it. All right, we took it out of the microwave, and it's been in there about 6 minutes. Just keep stirring it, open it up, stir it, and then close it back. And then we're going to add coconut to it.
1 cup of coconut.
1 cup.
And if you like more, you can put more.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay.
She likes coconut. I like coconut.
I love coconut.
And Donna really likes coconut.
Mom likes coconut. That's her favorite.
Give us a little more then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Since we like
Here
it.
we go, Mom. Give me
A lot
some
of
more of that
coconut.
coconut.
Yeah.
And this is sweetened coconut too, so sweetened coconut.
All right, we're going to put some more coconut.
Because we're sweet.
Oh, we are.
Okay. That's enough.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh, this is our vanilla. Put vanilla in there, about a teaspoonful of vanilla.
Okay. By the way, that's coconut flakes that we're putting in there, so.
Yeah.
Now we're using pre-made pie crust, as we told you earlier, and she had already poked the holes in there. And I'll show you. You can buy these. This is just your organic pie crust. We baked it for about 10 minutes on 425 in the oven to get it nice and brown, so it's ready to go.
You want some more, the rest of this in there?
No, you need it.
No, I don't want to eat it.
No, you need it.
No.
She's meaning that we could lick the bowl, Sheila.
Yes. And you will want to lick the bowl.
Yummy.
Awesome.
Now we got to do our meringue to go on it.
All right, I'll move the pie over a little bit for you. And I'll move that over there. so we're gonna whip those egg whites, huh?
We're gonna whip them up.
She's getting in there, isn't she?
I started beating the egg whites, and you get them real stiff, and you put your about a 1/4 cup of sugar in it, and cream of tartar, and just a small amount of vanilla, and you keep beating it until it gets real stiff, and then you take it out. All right, we're gonna take a meringue and put it on top of the pie.
That looks good.
Mmm.
It always is.
Okay, we're gonna squish that down.
Now we just preheated our oven to 400 degrees. We're just gonna sprinkle that on, or?
Yeah, sprinkle it on the top of it. Wait just a minute. Okay.
She makes her little
Look at-
indentions.
That's
Wanna make a
enough.
mess.
That's enough.
Okay,
Okay,
so we're gonna put this in the
we're
oven
gonna put this in the oven.
for about,
It'll take a couple of minutes to brown on top.
okay?
Before we dig into this delicious coconut pie, we have a fan that's in Belmont, Mississippi, and her name is Bella Hawcom. And we want to say hi to her, so
Hi, Bella.
Now let's get with this pie.
Let's get with this coconut pie here.
All right,
This
y'all
looks
ready to start with
delicious.
this?
It is.
Okay.
I'll hold the plate for you.
All right, you hold the plates and I'll cut.
That doesn't mean I'm gonna pass them down. I might just take them all myself.
You will want to take them all yourself.
I know.
And your mother loves coconuts, so she.
I know. I might just have to pass it on down.
A while ago, she said, "Oh, I can't wait till we
Oh
get
my
through
gosh,
it."
yummy.
Look at that.
All right, are we ready to try this?
Aren't you ready, Mother?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mmm.
Mm-mm.
Mmm.
Mm-mm.
That is so good. Yummy.
She has been making these for years and years and years.
That's delicious. Oh my gosh. You did good, Mom.
Thank you.
You're gonna like this, Mom. Mom.
Mama.
Mm-hmm. I can give Mom a bite of this. Try that, Mom.
Okay.
Well, as Steve would say, is this the best coconut pie? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
Twitter.
Instagram, and visit shotgunred.com where you can get merchandise. We have our coffee mugs, our t-shirts down there. We have a link to our t-shirt store that has all that. We have the world famous Shotgun Red dolls.
Yes.
And DVDs, you can get those on the website as well. So please visit shotgunred.com and
Let's eat.
let's eat. Okay, I gotta have to get another plate because I gave mine away, so I'm gonna have to get some more. And we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.